Today we are going to solve the 11th problem in exercise 6.3. In the figure, E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. This is the figure given for you. AD is perpendicular to BC, it forms 90 degree here. And EF is perpendicular to AC, it forms 90 degree. And since this is an isosceles triangle, AB and AC are equal, so thus angle opposite to equal sides are also equal, that is B is equal to C. Angle B and angle C are equal. Now let us write what is given in the question. E is a point on CB produced. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC. This is what given in the question. We have to prove ABD. This triangle ABD is similar to the triangle ECF. So now let us consider the triangle which we have to prove, ABD and ECF. Now here we know D is 90 degree, F is 90 degree. So ADB is equal to EFC is 90 degree. And as I told you, since it is an isosceles triangle, angle B and angle C are equal. So angle opposite to equal sides, angle B is equal to angle C. So we got two angles are equal. So by AA similarity, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. So we have proved. The next question is 12th one. Side AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of a triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. First let us know, what is a median? Median is the line drawn from the vertex to the middle point of the opposite side. So first we have two triangles here, ABC and PQR. So now let us write what is given in the question. Triangle ABC and triangle PQ are the triangles, and AB and BC and the median AD are proportional to PQ and PQR and median PM. So the two triangles. So we have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So now we can from the proof is from the given thing, since it is proportional to one triangle is proportional, all the sides of one triangle is proportional to the other triangle, we can write AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. AD and PM are the medians. These are the sides. So this is given in the question. Now these are the two triangles. One is ABC, one is PQR. AD is the median, here PM is the median. So the median will divide this base into two parts because it is the middle point. The line drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is the median. So BD will be equal to DC and QM will be equal to MR. Now when you take these two triangles, as we have written the first, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM, it is given. So like sides and the median are proportional. For one triangle, side and side to sides and median are proportional to the sides and median of the other triangle. So this is the information given in the question. Now AB by PQ is equal to now BC by QR. If BC by is QR means half of BC by half of QR also will be proportional. So half BC by half QR is equal to AD by PM. Now what is half BC? It is BD. And here half QR is nothing but QM. So AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. Now by all the sides are proportional. So by SSS similarity, ABD, the triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Now since they are similar, by corresponding angles of the similar triangles are also equal. So angle B will be equal to angle Q. So now take this as first equation. Then you take the whole triangle ABC and PQR. So ABC and PQR if I take, from the given information we know AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. It is given there. So now angle B is equal to angle Q we have proved from this one. So from 1 we know this is equal. So we know the sides are in proportion and B angle is also equal. So two sides and one angle, that is AB by PQ and BD by QM, and this B and Q are equal, means it is SAS similarity. So now we can write by SAS similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we have proved it. The next 13th question is, D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Dot means it is into. Now here we have taken D is a point on the side BC. We have drawn a triangle ABC. D is a point on the side BC. Now here it is given angle ADC. ADC. This angle is equal to angle BAC. This angle. So these two angles are equal. We have to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. So let us write what is given in the question. ABC is a triangle. D is a point on BC. Angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Now we have to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. So let us consider the triangle BAC and ADC. So we know BAC is equal to ADC. It is given in the question. And ACB and ACD are common both. So now these two triangles are similar by AA similarity. If this is similar, then the angle is similar, means then the ratio of the corresponding sides are also similar. So BA by DA is equal to AC by DC is equal to BC by AC. So now if I take these two triangles, we have to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. So let us take this both. AC by DC is equal to BC by AC. So when I take this cross multiply, we get AC square is equal to BC into DC. So we have proved the statement. Thank you.